We bought this Citroen Jumper 2017 model to turn into our future tiny home.
And we are documenting the whole process to show you guys our journey. So follow along!
In this episode we will be installing our roof plates, our wall panels, and building our first shelf. Then,
Wow! It fits like a perfect shoe.
we have our first downlight. This one is next. Do you want to go ahead and trim the wires?
Yeah.
Kan begge to. Wow. We got one more roof plate up. You want to turn the electricity on? Wow! But these ones are not connected yet because we have to complete the circle all the way over there. What? Turn the lights on. Mm-hmm. Wow!
Så fint, Eskil. Wow. Wow.
Wow!
We have to go tell our neighbor. Det ser så bra ut.
It's like surpassing my expectations.
Times 10.
Yes, I just love it. It's perfect. The lights are like warm lights.
And that was a shoot in the blind because we didn't know how the lights were
Yeah,
before we took them in on the plates.
these are perfect. Absolutely perfect. I don't think I've had this much fun ever. Like every single day is a new thing. Like this plate, and then that plate, and then this plate, and it just keeps on getting better. And it's like going to keep on getting better every single week. Oh, yeah.
Poor neighbors.
Yeah, we take up so much space with this camper van, and we're like in a tight neighborhood, and people trying to get by, and yeah, it's a thing. Hey, not big.
Now we are making a sliding, not a door, but a sliding plate to protect our electrical system.
Have this place to slide. It's going to slide up here as well.
Yeah.
We can protect this from our storage stuff. Oi. The next thing that we're going to build now is the shelf. So that's exciting.
Der var du nærme bilen til Sylfest. Wow.
Der går det her. Ja, det er mye flink, ass.
I dag så har vi fått opp panelvegg her. Vi har tatt opp lista. Vi har fått opp stikkkontakt. Vi har lagd hyller som vi innså at vi må male og pusse og male. Vi er bare sånn, vi skrur opp nå, men vi gjør ikke det. Fordi vi må pusse den først, og så må vi male den, og så må vi... Det er så mye man må gjøre. Det ligger mye arbeid bak hver minste ting, altså.
This is gonna be so sick. So sick. Okay. Happy?
Ja.
Very happy. Let's put them up there. Good job.
This is the part of the build that I'm most proud of. Se på det.
So many nice colors together. The roof, the doors, and this, and this.
Jeg har lyst til å slå noen når det der skjer, altså.
Please don't.
Thank you for watching our 4th episode of the van build. Stay tuned for the next one because we will be finishing our van build.